So, you're making video content for your business, but how do we maximize it and get the best return on your investment? Here's a few thoughts. We've discussed before how to plan the videos, how to create a system for making your videos, make sure they get done, all the areas of your business that you could be using videos in. And you're going to be seeing some benefits already, I'm sure. But there's even more that you could be doing. So I want to explain to you this concept of a content tree. You might also think of it as a pyramid. So with a pyramid, you have one main piece of content at the top there, and then everything else can flow down from that. So for me, it's the book. That's where I want people to go and get the most amount of information. But off the back of that, I can create a ton of other content, like this YouTube channel, for example. But it doesn't need to be anything like a book. It could be a white paper, could be a blog post, it could be one of your main videos, a YouTube video or something. The point is, you can create a whole host of other content off the back of that one main piece of content. So let's look at a couple of examples of how that might work in reality. In the first example, you've got one main video, a nice YouTube video that maybe explains some of your key concepts behind your business and what you do. Off the back of that, you can create a load of short videos for your YouTube shorts. So if you had like a 3 to 5 minute video, you could easily create sort of 20, 30, 40 YouTube shorts off the back of that one piece of content. You can then post these shorts to other platforms as well. So you'll post them onto your YouTube channel. You could also post them onto your Instagram, onto your TikTok, onto your LinkedIn. So if let's just say you've made 30 pieces of content, 30 YouTube shorts, you're then going to post them to 4 platforms. So that gives you effectively 120. Is that right? Yeah. 120 pieces of content that you're going to be getting out there. You can then turn your video into a blog post as well. So create a nice blog post using the video. You embed the video into that blog post as well, and you've created a nice bit of cornerstone content for your website that's going to be SEO friendly and show Google that you're the authority on that subject. Off the back of the blog post, you can then create a whole series of social media posts as well. So text posts. Off the back of that 3 to 5 minute video, you could have a fairly substantial blog post, and I'm sure you could then create another sort of 20, 30, maybe 40 social media posts just from that one blog post. And again, you post those across your different platforms. That's a lot of content going out there. So you can see how it sort of all flows down from that one piece of content at the top there. You can also, as a little bonus tip, you can use that YouTube video that you created in your outreach. So when you're going out to potential customers, you can send them the video link, they can watch that and just use it in a different way than just your marketing. Let's imagine that you start with a blog post or a book or a white paper. You can then take that written content and turn that into multiple videos. So you've got a load of different things you can take from that. So with me, for example, with the book, I'm creating a lot of these videos for the YouTube channel from the ideas that I wrote in the book. You can do the same with a white paper or a blog post. You've got a ton of content there. Finally, what you want to do is you want to link everything back to that main piece of content. So if that is a book and you're trying to get people to buy the book or sign up to receive your white paper, your PDF download, or to find your main blog post, you want to be pointing everyone back to that. But you don't have to do all of this, and I really don't want to put you off creating content. Okay, it's too easy to be put off by thinking, oh, I need to create all this stuff. You can get into the repurposing thing sort of one level at a time, if you like. So, I mean, we've got the book and then we've got the YouTube channel and then we create the shorts from the main YouTube videos. So that's kind of 2 levels of repurposing. You can also use AI to help you, of course, with this. You can create blog posts from videos. You can create shorts from your main videos. The only one thing I would say about that at the moment is just check that you are creating really high quality content, even when it's driven by AI. So maybe check the AI stuff that you're getting out, maybe tweak it as you need to. So as I said, what I don't want to do is put you off making content. I just wanted to show you what some of the possibilities are. So start thinking about your content in this pyramid or content tree kind of way. Your main piece at the top, everything can flow down from there. You can draw it out as a workflow if you like, and if you need to get other team members involved with creating it, it really works in a nice way. You can then plan out where you're going to put all of that content, start getting stuff out there. That's the main thing. And make the most of the content that you've got by repurposing it and thinking of it differently.